Manifest and latent functions. One of the main perspectives of sociology is the structural functionalism. This approach sees society as a complex system whose parts work together to promote unity and stability. One of the very important aspects of these perspectives are the social structures, manifest functions, and latent functions. Manifest functions are those recognized and intended consequences that people observe or expect in a social pattern. According to Robert K. Merton, he pointed out that while many social functions are intended, others are unrecognized or unintended. Manifest functions are explicit and straightforward tasks that have a clear target and specific goal. Latent functions, on the other hand, are unexpected, unanticipated, or unforeseen effects of the manifest functions that has occurred. For instance, the manifest function of going to school is to educate and certify you so you can get a job. However, the latent function will include making friends and interacting with other people. Some people might even meet their future wives or future husbands in school. Another instance would be you went out to distribute flyers for your church. On getting there, you met this person and then you decided to introduce your church to them. After talking with them, the person says, "Oh, I love how you speak. What school do you attend?" And you tell the person, "Well, I have not gotten admission, although I was applying to university over you." At the end of the day, the person says, "Oh, lucky you, I happen to work there." The next day, you are sent an admission letter. Now, your intention was just to preach and share flyers. But in turn, the latent function is that you gained admission. You applied to University of U as a student because you wanted to study sociology. Along the line, there was a sponsorship program from the United States sponsoring all sociology students to go outside the country for a 2-month training. The manifest function here is that you came to school to learn. The latent function, however, is that you have gotten an all-expense-paid trip to experience a country you have never been to before. Let's take a look at social media. Facebook, for instance, was initially invented with the manifest function of connecting students from different institutions together so that they can share ideas, knowledge, and study together. However, the latent function was that the users themselves did not see Facebook as just a platform for learning, but rather they saw it as a platform for connecting with different people all over the world. As a matter of fact, Facebook has even been a social media platform where people even meet, date, and get married. Another instance would be YouTube. Initially, YouTube was created to be an online dating application where people can come online and tell people the kind of person they're interested in or literally advertise themselves for dating. However, the latent function of this is that people ended up turning YouTube to being an entertainment platform, a platform where they can now make money from, and also a platform where they could educate people on things or skills that they already have. Right now, you can learn virtually anything and everything on YouTube. Let's look at this example. You attend a church for the first time, and after the service, all new attendees are called out, and they have been given a bag of rice and a new Bible. The manifest function is that you want to hear the gospel, and the latent function is that you are leaving with a new Bible and a bag of rice. At this point, I believe you'll be able to distinguish between the manifest function and the latent function. If you still have any more questions, please do leave it at the comment section below. And if this video was helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.